Hey, what's up everybody? Peter here once again with another DIY. For those of you guys that are new to my channel, welcome. This is a DIY slash rant channel slash vlog channel slash family channel. Anyway guys, I have a 2001 Toyota Camry here, XV20 5SFE motor, and this past few days I've noticed that I have rough idling, a little bit of a rough start, and I am showing multiple random misfire. And so I was going bananas trying to figure out what it is. I went ahead and checked my O2 sensor, my air and fuel mixture sensor. It is fine. No codes on that. I did one time get a P0420 catalyst below threshold for the catalytic converter. We all know how expensive those things get. And so, like what I always tell everyone, always look at your spark plugs first, because that's probably going to be the cheapest. And so I went ahead and did that route. And these are my old spark plugs. As you can see, let's see here. Oh, let's see if I can get the focus. There. Focus there. I'm pretty sure you guys could see that. It is there. It is burned. This is the one on the very left towards the passenger. This is the second one. It's burned. Totally burned. Right? And here's the other one. So they're all burned. You can even see that it's crusted over here. Anyway guys, these are, I went ahead and bought the IK20 5304 for this Camry. I know that the one that comes with it, OEM, is the one with the two arcs that way, the two electrode arcs that way. But I went and got the Iridium power. This is the one that I had here. Same thing. They were in my car for approximately 6.5 years, and I ran about 77,000 miles on them. A bunch of city driving, and my car is a stick shift, and it was averaging around 36 mpg on the highway, and in the city around 31, 32. You know, of course, I don't drive fast, you know, and so that's where it's at. And this one actually has a little bit of oil because I need to change the grommet and the valve cover on this one, but there's no oil in the plug on the actual part, so it's all good. Anyway guys, I went ahead and turned it on, and voila, my miss is gone. I'm gonna go into the car right now and turn it on. All right guys, I'm about to start the car. No miss, none whatsoever. Give it a chance to kind of like idle for a bit. This car has 227,075 miles, and I really take care of this car. No miss, no missing at all. As a matter of fact, I also went ahead and got some spark plugs for the, spark plug wires for the car. I'm gonna go ahead and change those as well, but I wanted to make sure that it was in fact my spark plugs. These are the spark plug wires that I got. Stock number 8916, part number RC-TE58. I'm gonna go ahead and install these, and I'll get right back to you guys. And these come in blue, and they are numbered. Focus a bit. There it is. And if all else fails, the OEM one's numbered also. This is by Sumitomo, and it's number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So all you got to do is unclip each one, follow the length, put it back together, and you're good. Alright guys, it's already installed. And just to let you know, if you have a hard time getting these off, there's a tab on the end of it where you can just kind of pry a little bit of, on the flathead screwdriver, and you could yank the wire up. And keep in mind, I would do one at a time, just so that you don't get mixed up on where each spark plug boot goes. All right guys, make sure it's pressed in. That's good to go. And remember, I did start the car before I installed these wires, so I'm gonna test it out now, see how it if there's any change, if there's any misfire. If there is, at least I would know it happened after I changed the wires. Here we go. Right, guys, start the car. Wow, that's pretty smooth, guys. Yeah, before when I revved like this, it would already bloop bloop, like that there's a miss. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and test drive the car. And again, like I always tell everyone, always start with the cheapest part possible. And in my case, it was the spark plugs. In some cases, it would be the O2 sensor or the air and fuel ratio sensor, which is the top O2 sensor, and they're very, very costly. So like I said, start with the cheapest possible, and usually when it's an O2 sensor malfunction, you will throw a code. So anyway, guys, I hope this helps you, because this was very irritating and I was getting worried and annoyed by it. And so, hey, I wish you guys the best. And again, if you like what you saw, consider subscribing. And I hope you guys have a great, great day. Click like and subscribe. Put any questions or comments down below. And I will talk to you guys soon. Peace.